Hi, Transformers. How are you?
I'm good.
Good, good.
Okay, how
How
is
are
the
you?
Great. How is the last week?
Was good.
Very good.
Quite eye-opening how the things are not in sync with baselines.
Okay,
So, too good.
okay. So now we come to know about baselines. So today's activity is the change. We call it as a change. So in this activity, what will happen is the outcome of this activity is to sync all your six core baselines to produce results. Okay. So can we can you share what is working in your life and what is not working in your life in terms of using the baselines? Ashaji, can you share?
So, as you asked me, like we have to tell where baselines are not synced,
Not,
right?
yeah, yeah, right,
So, in this, my career,
right.
finance,
Hmm.
personal development, and physical environment, we can't do anything about it.
No, no, we can do. See,
Oh, okay.
that is what I wanted to discuss. Okay,
Okay, okay. Then four areas.
four areas, right? So we'll take one by one.
Okay.
Okay, so you said physical environment.
Yeah.
Okay, what is not meeting them?
Making a difference,
Okay.
independence,
Hmm.
obviously recognition, commitment, nothing like how these things will match.
Okay. So now what happens is physical environment means you're just thinking only about your place, right?
Yeah, yeah.
So now, thanks to Corona, now the whole world has become a small village. Now
Yes.
you have a Zoom. So you can actually target the whole world and then you can market whatever service you wanted to give and make money, make your career, and you'll get a lot of independence.
Yeah,
Okay,
You're
you're
social
right.
media and all. So just
Yes, yes.
change. The activity's name is change. How you can change your thinking, your baselines from not happening, it doesn't happen, to how it can happen, right?
Correct. Right, right.
What is your other area like finance? So once we correct this and you
Yes.
start charging people online, so
Mm-hmm.
obviously the finance also goes up.
Finance will also improve. Correct.
Similarly, your career, it also goes up. So you
Correct.
have to change your thinking pattern and put all your baselines in a
Correct.
proper
You're
way
right.
so that you can produce results, right?
Correct. Correct.
Now,
Mm-hmm.
what about you, Hemaji?
Tell me. My
What is
base.
working? What is not working?
Working. Most of my baseline is a working, but some area is not working, like fun and recreations and entertainment and health is not working. Careers, I right now I can't say much about because I'm just started. So depend upon later on I will say. Otherwise, everything is working.
Okay. So what I want is, uh, I want you to sit and start writing your career, your
Okay.
business, okay, and finance and wealth,
Okay.
and friends and family,
Yeah.
fun, recreation, entertainment, health
Okay.
and fitness,
Yeah.
love life,
Okay.
personal and spiritual development, physical
Okay.
environment. So all this again, you check how it is,
Working.
how it is working and where it is not working,
Where is not working?
and you
Okay.
have to change your thinking pattern and you have to add your baselines
Okay.
to produce results. Okay. So, for
Sure.
example, you said your health is not working,
Yeah.
right? So, if we take your example of health,
Hmm.
uh, now because of the COVID, there's a lot of stress is happening and people are
Yes.
getting it.
Yes.
Okay. So, this is a slight down level. Again, you have to come back to your normal.
Okay.
So, when you will come back to normal, when you have buzz moments,
Buzz moment. You're
when you
right.
do something, some good things in your life,
Yeah.
and try to get the baselines,
Baseline.
Work on that. And once your health is good, then your career, your profession, everything will interlink. So when you do a good exercise, your good hormones will release in the body.
Yes,
Feel
yes.
good hormones. Okay.
You're right.
So then you start producing results. So any doubts up to this? We have almost completing the week 1.
Yes.
Okay. If you have any doubts, anything, you can ask.
Right now, I don't have any doubts. Definitely, we work on this area. Definitely, if something doubtful and some I'm stuck in, definitely I will talk to you because this is really important for me.
Ashaji, do you have
Yeah,
anything?
me too. No, right now, as you rightly said, that we'll work accordingly with you. I'm more excited now to work, and if I have any query, definitely I'll message you and connect with you.
Okay. So I'm going to give you some homework. What you have to do is every day when you get up, you read the your personality, how to be in a high level.
High level.
Yeah.
Okay. So when you are in a good state of your life. So the more you read, the more you try to practice in your life, you'll be in a good state of your mind. Number one.
Yeah.
Number two, try to see all these baselines will be integrated into your life.
Life.
Okay, so that you will be able to produce good results.
Good results.
Correct,
So
correct.
up to next week, you all practice this. We'll meet again next week. All the
Yeah.
best,
Thank
and
Thank you.
smile on your faces.
you. Yeah, always.
Yeah. Okay. See you.
Thank-
See you next week. Bye.
Okay, bye
Bye.
bye.